Today, we're going to learn how to make traditional Haitian mango juice, jus mango. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmade, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video with a friend. And also don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated on all our new content. You can find any of the links I mentioned in this video in the recipe and in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. Haitians love natural fruit juices, but by far mango juice is probably the most favorite. Mangoes are sweet, creamy fruits that have a range of possibilities as far as health, and they're very popular around the world. Now for my 3 tips for making delicious mango juice. Tip number 1, make sure you start with the right mangoes. Tip number 2, you can get really creative with this recipe and add some coconut milk, lime juice, ginger, or try using some other fruits like passion fruit or guava. You can also make this a cocktail by adding 3 shots of white rum. Tip number 3. Did you know that mangoes are called the fruit of the gods and also known to protect against heart disease and is high in vitamins? Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet. Please don't forget to purchase the book on Amazon and come back to the page often, as we will be posting different techniques and discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.